Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, all up in your YouTube. That's right, it is Wednesday, March 11, 2020. You know what time it is. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day will be for tomorrow, which will be March 12th, 2020. That will be Thursday. But before we get into that, don't forget to help me out by smashing those buttons. Yep, want to get them subscribers up. Be sure to like the video. You can comment, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, you'll be there rocking and rolling with me, earning while we're learning, doing the damn thing, and going 8. That is analyze, plan, and execute. That is the motto we roll by. So definitely stop in the room if you want to find out what that is all about. All right, with no further ado, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker BA. That is Boeing. That's right, Boeing got slammed today. Yes, with the coronavirus news, all the airlines have been getting slammed, along with the cruise lines. Any kind of travel leisure have been getting slammed as of late, and Boeing is no exception. That's right, Boeing closed today at $189.08, down $41.93 or 18.5% on the day. This is its lowest close since 2017. This is its lowest close since June 7, 2017, when it closed at $188.10. Also, its largest percentage decrease since December 31st, 1974, where it fell 64.8%. Barron's reported that Boeing said it would take steps to preserve cash, and a person familiar with the company's plan said it would soon draw the remainder of its $13.8 billion loan as the coronavirus pandemic and delays in the recertification of its 737 MAX aircraft exact a mounting toll on this aerospace giant. It has been down 3 of the last past 5 days, down 31.27% month to date, down 41.96% year to date, down 57.09% from its all-time high closing of 440.62 on March 1st in 2019, down 49.86% from its 52-week high on March 13, 2019, when it closed at $377.14, down 52.24% from its 52-week closing high of $395.86 on April 4, 2019. It closed at a new 52-week low, traded at low as $187 today, down 19.05 at today's intraday low. It's the largest intraday percentage decrease since December 2nd, 1998, when it fell as much as 19.5%. Today's preliminary volume is 28.3 million shares, highest since March 13, 2009, when 32.7 million shares were traded. Worst performer in the Dow Jones today, and the fourth worst performer in the S&P 500 today. And with its decline today, it subtracted 284.31 points from the Dow Jones average just today. Boeing got slammed. It just dropped like a rock.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
All these things are just killing these industries, from the cruise lines to the airlines. Any business dealing with a group of people gathering together in large masses or in a close quarters have been taking a dive, and Boeing is taking the lead on that today. But as always, as technical traders, we always got to look to the charts to see exactly what's going on. With my hot pick of the day, the ticker BA, that is Boeing. Now, if we look at the intraday chart, you can see Boeing opened here at about, what is this, 222.93, popped up as high as 226.99, and then plummeted all day long to a low of 187. And we all know what 187 means.
Yeah, and yeah, don't stop.
Cause it's 187 on an undercover car.
Anyways, it's trying to pop up back here and test this area in the after hours, but we'll see what happens with this tomorrow, whether it will continue its journey down or will it get a little bounce back. We'll just have to wait and see. But before we break down the technical analysis on how to trade this tomorrow, let's go to Boeing's daily chart to get a broader perspective and see exactly where Boeing has been the last year or so. Now, if we take a look at the daily chart, we can see this high. We were talking about 446.01 back here on, I believe, March 1st or so. Early March, it peaked up parabolic in this 446.01 and then just kind of took a dive. So I was trying to get some fib retracements on this, and my other fibs were just blown out of the water with this drop. So what I had to do, I had to trace it all the way back here in May of 2016, where it hit this low of 175.47. I retraced it all the way to this peak peak in, I believe, March of 2017. So I got this Fibonacci retracement levels, which kind of makes sense. You can see it kind of chopped in this range for a while, peaked all the way up to this 446, not exactly hitting this 452 retracement, but you can see it came back down, tried to use this 371.60 as support many a times, became resistance, became support, became resistance, became support, became resistance, and then just started its way down once these moving averages started curling on down. You can see it tested this 325 area early this month, and that was the last of any kind of upside we seen on Boeing. You can see it just kind of dropped. I tested this 50% retracement, 273.53, which was a key level. Tried to hold and break this first retracement above it at 296.68. No dice. Moved back down. Tested this 250.39 area. Could not hold that gap down, and now we're below this 217 today and just dropped all the way down as low as 187. The next support is about at this 175.47. So we'll see if we get that retest maybe tomorrow. This thing's moving big time, so we definitely got to watch that level under that 175. $94. Ooh, I can't imagine it going that low, but we just gotta wait and see what happens. Trump is speaking tonight at 9 p.m. or 6 p.m. my time. We'll see what he says. Maybe he can say something to bump up the market, or maybe he'll say things to just tank it even lower. I don't know. With that guy, you never know. But anyways, let's get into the intraday chart so we can see how we can trade this tomorrow to make some money on this. So now you can see I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader, and what I did is I retraced the first leg down from this 226.99 down to this 205.55. I got this retracement 50% at 216.27. Never even came near that. Tested this 205 again, broke down, and tested this 196, broke down again, broke past this 192.30, reclaimed, came back down, and now you can see in the after hours it's kind of trying to reclaim it but failed. So definitely tomorrow what we want to look for is a break above this 192.30. If we do, we could see a bounce, a push up to this maybe 196 level, and maybe even as high as this 205, and possibly touch this 200 SMA on the 5-minute chart. These 200 SMAs work very well. You can see it rejected it today, and once it did that, it never came back. If we look back, we can kind of look at this 200 SMA, see how it tested here, failed, broke down, kind of reclaimed in the after hours, got a push up, gap down under it. You can see popped up over and failed again, tried to hold. You can see how it tries to hold it and then breaks down, and today just straight out rejected it. So like I said, we can watch this 192.30. If we get that level, we can take it level to 196 to the VWAP, wherever that may be tomorrow, till 205, and maybe even testing this 200 at 208 if we can get that much of a pop. A failure of this 192.30, we could see a test definitely of this 187 for a bounce. If it does not bounce at 187, we could go as low as 181.52, and then we have that daily retracement level of 175.47 and that 175 natural resistance. Under that, we could test this 170.86. Boeing now has a ATR of $15, so this thing can move. It moved $40 today, so we'll see if the bears pile in, or will we get some kind of bounce on this move down. I'm assuming we'll get some kind of bounce. Some people want to take profits. If you held it $40 down today, doesn't look like anybody took profits today, so we never know. We just got to follow the price action. What you can do, you can pause this video, rewind it, and write down these levels so you can trade them. They definitely will be in play tomorrow. You just got to get on the right side of the trade and size correctly so you don't get stopped out. You got to make sure you size correctly, because you could go short here 192.30 and it goes your way, but if it pops up too far up and stops you out and then continues down, that does you no good. So you got to make sure you size correctly so you got enough room, enough buffer to hold till it makes the move your way. And if it does break that way, be sure to get right out. You can't be bag holding even for a second with this stock. It will wipe you out for sure. All right, real simple, real easy today. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker BA. That is Boeing. There you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker BA. That is Boeing. Now, as always, takes a lot to put these videos together, and all I ever ask for you guys in return, just 3 clicks of your mouse. That's right, click number 1. You can always like the video, also comment, let me know what you think of the videos. Also subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, it notifies you anytime I put up some new content, some new video, or go live. We've been getting some bunch of subscribers, and I want to encourage you guys to watch the videos, and if you find value in it, definitely tell a friend to check it out. Be sure to like, and also jump in the chat room in the morning. I've been doing a lot of pre-market pre-market live streams and trading the market at the open. So definitely a good vibe. We want to get some people in there and get it active and definitely help each other out in entertaining each other and making some money. Hey, getting consistent, all that good stuff. And don't forget to go ape. That's analyze, plan, and execute. That is our motto, along with hashtag stay green. All right, it's all good. All right, time for me to bounce up out of here. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Day Trader, signing on out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.